Today we're gonna be doing the sound effect challenge. Wait, what? Oh, 1 second. Bing. Oh, that's better. Sound effect challenge. We don't know how it's gonna go. We have an app with lots of sound effects. We'll link it down below. And we're just gonna play for each other, and we have to, I guess, improvise. Okay, well, let's get started. We're back. Are you ready to get started? Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, one more time. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Do you want to do it again or no? No, it's okay. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Wait, so I know the sounds before. Oh no, okay, I'll play once. Okay. Do you have an idea? No. Wait. Let's go. I'll improvise. Set, go. Okay, yeah. Wait, let me. Okay, you ready? And go. That was good. Good. I feel like this video is not gonna make sense to anyone who's watching. Sleepy on the train, getting woken up, and just screaming because that's no one else getting woken up. Did you get that? Yeah. In my head, I was thinking you're driving the train, and then you hear a chicken, and then you're screaming because you don't want to run over it. Oh. Yeah. It's a chicken crossing. I like my story. But yeah, see, that's. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. What was the first one? I don't remember. Wait. Okay. Can I start out here? Yeah. I can start wherever you want. Wait, I want to be more than two. I want to be two people. Okay, let's start again. Did you understand my story? I mean, it's kind of hard to have the phone in that, but I feel your energy. So I was a little cat running around, and then a car tried to run over me, or maybe it did run over me. I mean, you did look like you got run over, so... Okay, that's a win for me then. Let me think. I don't know what we can use from this video though, because in my head it was very different. I got it already. Okay, wait, let me... Oh, party crasher. Okay, that's okay. I know, I'm gonna do this. Okay. And then this. And then this. Fail. No, not the fail. Okay, just okay. Go. Okay. You ready? Okay. That was good. Did you like my party crashing skills? Yes. Last one is gonna be completely random. We're gonna close our eyes and press the buttons, and let's see what we can make for it. Okay, I'm scared. I don't know how to make a story from this. Ta-da! I mean, at least you had a theme. Like, I don't know what I was doing, but... Are you ready, Liza? It is now your turn. Okay. Oh. Wait, start again. I didn't try to press it. I just pressed it accidentally. Okay. I can't press anything.
This is only a test.
Keep going. ended on good ones. I like that. Can we do that again? I had no idea what to do. I had no idea what to do throughout this whole video, so I had no idea what I was doing for most of the video, so we can definitely say this was a
L.
But maybe you guys can definitely try out the sound effects challenge. You know, post the video so that we can see it and do a better job than us. Teach us how to do it so that we can do a better one next time.
Yes.
And hopefully it's not just a completely crazy video for you guys. Yeah, but if you like this video or were at least intrigued by this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification button. We post new videos every Saturday, and we'll see you next week. Goodbye.